So today we'll talk about the SolarEdge Home Smart Switch. This is now available in the Australian market through your usual SolarEdge distributors and suppliers. What does it do? Really simple device that inserts across your electricity supply to small appliances under 15 amps. Now, to make it really portable for me to experiment with this, I've just simply installed it across an extension lead, or got my neighbor the electrician to do it. This means that now the power's in, power's out, it's grounded, and I now have control over this device via eNet wirelessly to my inverter and my battery system in the My SolarEdge app. Now, here you can see it with just a simple light connected to it. I can then toggle the load on and off by flicking the switch manually, but the real benefit of this is commissioning it into my system. So I've opened up SolarEdge Go. I'm using remote access to connect into my inverter, and because it was a rainy day and I didn't want to go outside. So this allows me to now have a look for my SolarEdge home network or eNet devices on my network. I can see the smart switch there through a couple of brick walls, which is great. The reception's nice and strong, and I add that into my network. Once I've added it into my network, I then have to configure it and tell it what the loads are. So I can enter the power rating here for the device for solar control. In this case, I'm going to put in 1000 watts for a 1 kilowatt bar radiator. I can label it, and I can then set that up within my app to turn on and off based on excess solar. And so during the day now, whenever I've got enough energy pumping out to the grid, rather than getting my 6-cent feed-in tariff for it, I've got my heater then toggling on and off very easily inside my home network. And I can also set the priorities for it really easily as well. By jumping into my SolarEdge, I can relabel it if I want to. So I've labeled the device name on this one to the heater in my daughter's bedroom, and easily arrange when I want this to run. So if you're looking for a really simple and easy to use home automation add-on sale for your existing SolarEdge client base, you should definitely check out the SolarEdge Smart Switch. Ideal for pool pumps, for pool heaters, for heaters in winter. All these sorts of things that are small loads can be easily automated into your system. And if you're putting them onto an extension lead like I've done here, these could be prepped on a rain day and easily sold to your customers for self-install, which is pretty cool.